Portronics, an Indian electronics brand, has unveiled its latest offerings for gamers in India with the introduction of two new mechanical gaming keyboards, the K1 and K2. Designed to meet the demands of gamers seeking precision and speed, these keyboards aim to elevate the gaming experience with their advanced features and ergonomic design. The K1 model is equipped with blue tactile switches, ideal for users who prefer tactile feedback with each keystroke, while the K2 comes with red linear switches, offering a lighter and quieter typing experience. Both keyboards feature a durable ABS full-body construction and boast 104 full-size backlit keys, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics during gaming sessions. A standout feature of the K1 and K2 keyboards is their anti-ghosting capability, allowing gamers to execute complex commands by pressing multiple keys simultaneously without losing inputs. Additionally, both models come with raised kickstands for ergonomic comfort and offer customizable RGB lighting with over 20 dynamic modes, adding a touch of personalization to the gaming setup. These keyboards have undergone rigorous durability testing and are designed to withstand the rigors of gaming. With a 1.5-meter cable for easy setup, gamers can enjoy hassle-free gaming sessions with these keyboards.